Hi guys, welcome back. Today it's a quick video. I'm just showing you how to diagnose misfiring code on this vehicle. Customer has a cylinder 1 P301 code. Check engine light was on. So I'm just basically showing you really quick. Check the connector, the coils. Then I replace the coil, spark plugs. Inspect the spark plugs. Put it back all together, and the engine was running fine, perfectly. The job is very simple. Just make sure like you look for the cylinder one. Cylinder one is always going to be on the passenger side on these Toyota. Then it could be many things, but the most common thing is the coil is the problem, and the plugs. Then you look for injector. Injector could be another cause of a clog injector, could be another cause of a misfiring code, or any vacuum leak. Yeah, bad fuel can also cause a misfiring code. So yeah, next time when you have a misfiring code, don't be scared. Just scan it with your little scanner and diagnose it. Thank you guys.